How to whitelist SendGrid emails. So first, just simply go to the SendGrid website, then navigate to the left navigation menu here. Then click on the settings one on the very bottom. Then scroll down till you see the mail settings. So just simply click on that. And once you're there, scroll down again till you see the suppression settings. And under the suppression settings, you will see the address allow list. You just simply need to click on that. And once you're here, you will just simply need to enter the individual email addresses or full domains you want to allow. And if you want to add another one, you just simply need to click on add another address or domain. And as you can see, there are now two list or empty list right there. And as you can see right here, what this setting does is that it ignores all bounces and unsubscribes logged for the domains or addresses added below, and future emails will always be sent to these recipients as if under normal sending conditions. And just make sure if you want to use this feature, just simply click on the enabled option right there. So there's a switch right here at the bottom. And if you hover to this icon, it says here that settings that are enabled actively affect your email program. You must complete all required fields before you can enable a setting. Changes will be applied after saving. So once you're done adding all of the email addresses or domains, just simply click on save to change everything. And that should be it. And that is how I basically whitelist SendGrid emails.